to make some gut-loving guacamole. It's pretty much our basic guac, but we're adding additional benefits with the sauerkraut and apple cider vinegar with the mother. Both of those are going to add to serve our gut flora and give the good bacteria a little bit of a party as opposed to the bad bacteria that are often fed from sugar and processed foods. To get started, you are going to want 2 avocados. You could do 2 small or 1 large, depending on what you have available. About a half cup of finely chopped cilantro, 3 cloves of garlic, and chop them up pretty finely. You're going to want a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of salt, and about a quarter of a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper, and then also a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, again with the mother. We get ours at Costco, but you could also use the Bragg apple cider vinegar. That's a great option. And then a quarter cup of sauerkraut. So let's start by putting our avocado into the bowl, and then we'll mash that up, and then we will add all of the additional ingredients. So the easiest way is to just kind of slice it in half. Use your knife, make sure that you're holding it, and just kind of get that pit, give it a little turn away from your body, and then you can roll that pit off the knife, and now you can easily scoop your avocado into your bowl. You're going to use the back of a fork. I recommend turning the avocados upside down. It's a little bit easier to mash them, and just kind of turn the bowl as you go, mashing them really to your desired consistency. So I know Ryan tends to prefer a little bit more of a, I guess, very mashed consistency. I like it more chunky. So whichever you prefer. Okay, and then go ahead and grab your spoon. Just grab the avocado that's on the edges of the bowl and bring it all into the center. And then from there, we're going to add all of our ingredients. So again, we have our about half cup of finely chopped cilantro. We have 3 cloves of fresh chopped garlic, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of cumin, and then a quarter cup of sauerkraut, or more if you would like, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And that is that. So pretty quick and easy. Remember, it is gut-loving guac, so try to eat it with something healthy. Lately, we have been using walnut halves, and we found that pretty enjoyable, but get creative. And if you guys have any fun or healthy ideas to share, please do so below or contact us.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and help us spread the word. We appreciate you guys. Have a healthy day.